So yesterday, day before yesterday, as I have told you about, I will explain you today about solar solstice, winter solstice, and equinox again. So here, so in this paragraph, just try to read it, and you will try to understand. So we know that 21st June, when 21st June. So here, so in 21st June, the northern hemisphere, that means this side, this part, northern hemisphere is tilted towards what? Sun. So tilted towards the sun ray fall directly on what? Tropic of Cancer, this side, Tropic of Cancer. As a result, this side receive maximum heat, and the area near the pole, that means this and that, less heat because of what? Slanting, see, slanting, because these are slanting poles. So that is the area beyond the Arctic Circle. Here Arctic Circle experience continuous day and light, that means daylight for a period of what? 6 months. Do you know, children, in the poles areas you have 6 month day and 6 month night. So experience, that means 6 month you have daylight here. Since the large portion of northern hemisphere, that means this side, this part is northern hemisphere. So this part is northern hemisphere, because large portion is getting the heat from the sun. So it is summer in this region, that means this side we will have what? Summer season. What season? Summer season. That means the area which lies in the northern hemisphere gets the sun heat, and that side will have summer season, whereas in the southern hemisphere it will be winter. That means opposite summer will be winter. The longest day and the shortest night, that means day during the summer season, what do you have? Days are long or not? Yes. And night are short. At this time the southern hemisphere is the opposite, that means reverse. Here the nights are long and days are short. So this position, that means this position of the earth towards the sun is called what? Summer solstice. What solstice? Summer solstice. So next come on the winter solstice. That means on 22nd December here. So 22nd December, our Tropic of Capricorn. See, Tropic of Capricorn is this side. This side Tropic of Capricorn. That was Tropic of Cancer. So Tropic of Capricorn received the direct heat from what? Sun. So because why? Because at that position the earth is tilted. The earth is tilted. So therefore it is summer in when? Where? In southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere, what will we have? Summer. So at this time days are long and shorter the nights. But reverse in northern hemisphere, that is reverse in northern hemisphere, what will be having in northern hemisphere? It will be opposite. There will be days will be short, night will be long. So this position of the earth is called what? Winter solstice. What solstice? Winter solstice. Okay. Now coming on the equinox. So equinox is a position where you have sun ray fall directly on what? Equator. Where? Equator. So here if you see in both the areas, the sun ray are falling directly on what? Equator equator equator. Okay. So this side you cannot see because these are little tilted, but here you can see equator. Okay. So in this position, the poles are not, neither the poles are tilted toward the sun nor the whole earth. So the whole earth experience what? Equal day and night. That means 21 March and 23 September you have equinox at this part. That means the earth get equal day and night. So this is called the equinox. 23rd September is the autumn season in northern hemisphere and spring in southern hemisphere. Okay, so this is the opposite of everything. So when it is spring in northern hemisphere, it is autumn in southern hemisphere. So does you find that days and nights are changes in the season because of the rotation and revolution of the earth respectively. So children, from your geography, 3 chapters will come in your periodic test. So I will give you the question answers today. You can write it, and tomorrow I will give you the tick the correct answers, fill in the ranks and everything from chapter number 1 to 3 in your WhatsApp group. Okay, children. Thank you for today.